Does your dog ever randomly sneeze right in the middle of a play fight? You might think he has a cold, but he is actually sending you a secret signal. Behaviorists call this the play sneeze. Since dogs can't speak, they sneeze to tell you, hey, I am just playing. Please don't take this seriously. It is their way of saying just kidding so the fight doesn't get real. It's actually a sign of high social intelligence. So next time he sneezes, say bless you. He is just being polite. Does your dog do this? Comment his name below. I read every single one. And smash that subscribe button if you love him.